guys, and welcome to Car Flicks. Today I'm going to show you a really simple and easy fix you can do yourself to fix a fuel cap on the Peugeot RCZ. So without further ado, let's crack on with that video. So the problem I have is this one. This has snapped. What basically happens is this rubber cord should attach to here, but what happens is over time, if you don't use the little catch, which is just located here, to hang your fuel cap on, what will happen is over time it'll get twisted and twisted, and then it'll just snap like that. So what you can do is you can go online and get yourself one of these. Really cheap. I can't remember how much I paid, but it wasn't much money. I'll stick the link in the description below. There's the item code for it, and I'm going to show you how to fit it. So before you fit anything, always double check that they're exactly the same, which they are on these. As you can see, they just haven't got the original stamping on. And now I'm going to show you how we're going to install it. So all we're going to do is get this section here, slide it into there, and then what we're going to do is pull it like that so it kind of pushes in. Push it in with your thumb like that so it's secure. All you do, put the new one in and clip it in like that. After that, well done.
A great success!
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.